here is the intro. So this will take us to right before the lyrics start. So you're basically going between an E minor chord and a D major chord. You end it on a C major chord. So the first thing that's happening with the left hand is you're going from the B to B with an E and G in between. So B with the 5, E with the 3, G with the 2, B with the 1. When you get to that B, your right hand is going to play a G at the same time. Then your 2 finger on your right hand is going to play an F sharp, and then you're going to do a E with your left hand, and then an F sharp, and then an E, like this. So if we put all that together, we have this. Moving on, you're switching to the D major. So your left hand is going to do a 5 on A, 3 on D, 2 on F sharp, 1 on A. When you get to that A, you're going to hit an F sharp with your 2 finger on your right hand. And then your thumb on your right hand is going to hit an E, and then you're going to play a D with the left hand. Right hand E, left hand D. So all that together. And then we're switching back to the E. To a C chord. So you're going to start with a G with the 5, C with the 3, E with the 2, G with the 1, and on the right hand, when you get to that G, you're going to hit an F sharp again, and then you're going to play E with the right hand, C with the left, E with the right, C with the left. So let's put that together. And then you're going to slide your left hand down your right hand down to do C, B, A, B, C. Okay, so let's put everything together. 3 and 4